Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and another video. So today I'm going to be trying out some new products from the beauty supply store. I'm going to continue to try out the Nicka K palettes. This is the last palette from the new 9 eyeshadow palette collection. This is the blue palette, and I'm going to be trying out their new foundation, some mascara, concealers and stuff like that. I just carved out my eyebrows using the Nicka K Perfection concealer. I did haul this to you guys in my beauty supply store haul. This is in the color I actually used sienna, so that's what I used for my eyebrows today, and it carved out my brows really well. I'm using my front camera today if things looked a little bit different, so tell me how you guys like it. So like I said, I used sienna to carve out my brows today. This is sienna, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the shade, what is this, camel. I'm going to take camel, and I'm going to use that just to prime my eyes. I'm going to set my eyes with that so we don't get any type of creasing, and I'm going to set under my brow bone as well. I have not swatched this yet for you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I love me a nice blue eyeshadow palette, so I'm super excited about the colors. So that is how it's swatched. Maybe I'll go in with this color right there. I'm just packing it on, just doing patting motion to get the intensity that I like, that I prefer. So that's going on pretty good. Take this shade right here, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to blend out the rough edges. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this dark blue right here and put that in my crease.
Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. Was too late. Yeah. We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere, in everywhere. Every time we have a day, but unrealistic. I know how you like it, baby boy, and I miss that. Can't be like we used to.
So I'm going to use the concealer in camel, and this is like a lighter color, and the concealer is so smooth, like it just glides on, like it really glides on. It's not like tugging or anything. I'm gonna go in with this shade. right, so I'm gonna stop the color right there, and I'm gonna go in with this dark blue shade.
Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. Yeah. We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere, in everywhere.
Go in with this a dark blue shade, and I'm just going to blend out the outer corners of my eyes.
Can be like we used to, like we used to. Can be like we used to, like we used to. Every time we hit, I shouldn't ever have to feel this way, but every time I try to walk away, you come around and start to love me better.
So that's the eyes right there. I'm loving this blue. I love blue eyeshadow anyway, but I really like this blue. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my face, and then we're gonna go ahead and start on foundation. Nicka K Perfection setting spray, long lasting. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray that on my face. A long lasting setting spray, and it can double as a primer to prep face before makeup and to set your face. Oh, okay. It come out really fast, and like you really have to have this away from your face. Using the Nicka K Perfection liquid foundation. This is the full coverage natural matte finish, and you guys saw this in my beauty supply store haul. And I picked up the shade Cocoa. I believe I need the shade before this, or I might need to mix, I'm not sure. But it does look pretty dark, and it does look dark swatched on my hands. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try it out. Use a sponge today to put on my makeup, but so I did 2 pumps. Yeah, that's it's so like chocolate in person. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. I mean, I don't know. I would like to have the color before this. Yeah, I think this is just a tad bit darker than my skin complexion, but it's not bad. Yes, it is dark. I can fix that with concealer, but it's actually going on pretty good. And yeah, it's actually going on pretty good. I think I need the shade. Yeah, I need the shade before this because it is too dark. So I do need some more. That was 2 pumps, so yeah. It might not look dark in the camera from what I'm looking at. I have to go back and look on the footage. I don't apply my foundation with a sponge neither. I just wanted to do it. And it doesn't smell bad neither. Yeah, I need the shade before this. But when you purchase it online, you really can't see. So far, so good as far as it going on my face. Yeah, it's dark. But we just gotta go ham with the concealer. It's definitely too dark. I know you guys can probably like see that, like, girl. But to my defense, I did purchase this online. I'm gonna go in with the Camel concealer just to lighten up things. I never do my forehead, but in this case, I need to do that. Yo, this concealer looks good. Wow. Y'all, I think it was only a few dollars too. That blended very, very well.
Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. But was too late. Yeah.
Face powder. I have this powder from Ruby Kisses. It's let me see. It is in the shade Honey Brown. Okay, so for bronzer, I have this LA Colors bronzer that I got from the beauty supply store. Do y'all see something? I'm gonna try on these eyelashes from the beauty supply store. These are the Miss 3D Pure Mink. These are the Miss Lash MP23. I put this in NYX blue pencil in my waterline. This is Electric Blue. This is from NYX. So I'm gonna go in with the Nicka K All-in-One mascara, and this is a new as well. So I'm gonna use that on my lower lash. I haven't tried this out yet.
Every time we have all day, I put unrealistic. I know you like it, baby boy, and I miss that.
And I'm going to take this white shade right here, and I'm going to put that in my inner tear duct just to give it a little pizzazz. Ooh, that's pretty. That's real pretty. So this is the final look, you guys. I was gonna do this video just using the Nicka K by itself, but I was like, you know what, I want to try some of these Nicka K products out as well, so I decided to include it in this video. I'm pretty sure you guys wouldn't mind. But the foundation itself, it goes on matte. Like, it says full coverage, and it has a decent amount of coverage. The concealers, oh my god, y'all gotta get y'all hands on this. I swear, I'm serious, y'all gotta get y'all hands on this. I will have the shades that I have in the description box. I got 3 shades. They do have darker shades as well and lighter shades. I recommend for you guys to get this. If you don't get nothing from this video, get these concealers. This palette, oh my god, so beautiful. Like, once the colors settle in on your eyes, once they settle down, like the colors just, you know, warm up to your skin. It looks really, really good. I really like the outer part of my eyes, like the blue and everything. It looks really nice. These lashes, I'm going back to get me some more. Like, sis, I like these. I like these lashes. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye.
I should've never have to feel this way, but every time I try